welcome back to the D&N Medical Series. Today we'll be talking about 5 home remedies for sore throat. A sore throat refers to pain, itchiness, or irritation of your throat. So throat pain is usually the primary symptom of sore throat, and it gets worse when you try to swallow or you have difficulty swallowing food and liquid. So the first remedy we'll be talking about today is honey. So honey mixed with any tea or any is a common remedy for sore throat. So you can just get some honey and take some honey and it can soothe your sore throat. So it helps with healing of your sore throat. The next one is salt water. So gargling warm salt water can help soothe and break down the secretions in your throat as well as killing the bacteria that are in it. So you make a little salt solution with like a half teaspoon of salt in a full glass of warm water and gargle it and spit it out. And you do this once every 3 hours to help ease your sore throat. The next one is basically peppermint. So peppermint is known for its ability to freshen the breath. So you dilute your peppermint oil and sprays can be used for your sore throat. Another one is baking soda gargle. So you basically gargle your base just like how you gargle your salt water. You'd add baking soda to your salt water or to some warm water and you gargle it, and it helps to relieve your sore throat as well as preventing the growth of fungi and yeast in your throat. And the next one we're going to talk about, or the last one we're going to talk about, well, not the last one, before the last one, we're going to talk about apple cider vinegar. So this has many antibacterial uses. So you can basically get a teaspoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water and you gargle it. Then you take a small sip of the mixture and you can just swallow it, a very small sip. And you repeat this like once or twice every hour to help soothe your sore throat. And the last one we're going to speak today is garlic. So garlic has a natural antibiotic or antibacterial property, and it helps with sore throat. So you can probably hear your grandmother tell you to just suck on a piece of garlic, and this can help to soothe your sore throat. If you don't want to do that, you can just incorporate more garlic in your diet, and it can help with your sore throat. And just brush your teeth afterwards to prevent the buildup of enzymes from the garlic. So that's it for all our 5 home remedies for sore throat today. Until next time.